there are a few times I've been more excited from a drive in my entire life, and I reckon that one takes the cake. That was epic, dude.
That was so good. I would go as far as to say that we would have not gotten out of the desert as safely as we did without reliable comms, a handheld and a UHF that we could rely on. Where these became absolutely vital was after we left the two vehicles on the dune, we pushed hard into the night to try and get as far out of the desert as we could before it flooded properly and we were stuck. And to do that meant crossing kilometers of water crossings in the dark. The way we did them is myself and the photographer would walk ahead of the convoy with radios, calling out the shots. These crossings were so long, you didn't know what was underneath them. So if there was a deep hole, if there was a sunken log, having someone out of a vehicle, they can watch what's going on and call vehicles through safely. And I reckon every single four-wheel drive that heads out there should have an in-car UHF, and you should have a couple of handheld UHFs in the convoy. So to get the same ones that we use to get out of the flooded desert, just head to oricom.com.au.